A short review about Charles Schwab website, that is graduation 3 alternative to crash gift. Read the article. This is basically a website related to simply rollover IRA, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, individual brokerage, or joint brokerage. You can simply invest in stock, ETF, bonds, and many more options that will the website will unlock you in future to use it. So why does sentiment not match hard data? You are tariffs over, so you can read all the news in this column on the official website if you're using it. They think you might like announcing two limited offers and other things as well. This is just an ad on the official website here. So the main thing is we're going to talk about that how you can simply start using it to manage your finances. Stockbrokers award, already got it. Investors Business Daily Award and Investors Business Daily rank #1 most trusted bank award here. So this is how you can get it. Other sites for advisor, investment professional, and employees are. You can get all the details about this on the website. Thank you so much for watching this video.